Welcome back to Brutology. Imagine driving down the highway and suddenly seeing something that looks more like a moving palace than a vehicle. A gigantic motorhome shining in gold, rising 5 full stories high, and stretching across the road like a luxury skyscraper on wheels. Today we're exploring the world's largest 5-story golden motorhome ever built, a vehicle so extravagant, so futuristic, and so unbelievably luxurious that it feels like something straight out of a billionaire's dream. At first glance, this motorhome doesn't even look real. The exterior is completely wrapped in reflective, golden panels that sparkle under the sunlight. Every surface has been carefully designed to look elegant and futuristic, combining luxury yacht aesthetics with cutting-edge automotive engineering. The massive structure stands 5 stories tall, towering above regular RVs and trucks on the road. Its size alone makes it one of the most unbelievable vehicles ever imagined. But the true magic begins when you step inside. The first floor functions as the grand entrance and luxury lounge area. As the golden doors open, guests are welcomed into a spacious marble lobby. With crystal lighting hanging from the ceiling, soft ambient lighting reflects off polished gold accents throughout the interior. The lounge features designer sofas, large panoramic windows, and a fully automated climate system. Massive ultra-thin screens are embedded into the walls, turning the entire lounge into a cinematic entertainment space. Moving up to the second floor, the motorhome transforms into a gourmet dining and kitchen paradise. This level includes a world-class chef's kitchen, fitted with high-end appliances, golden countertops, and smart cooking technology. The dining area is surrounded by panoramic glass walls so passengers can enjoy breathtaking views while traveling. A luxurious dining table made from rare marble can host private dinners while the vehicle moves smoothly down the highway. The third floor is dedicated entirely to relaxation and comfort. Here you'll find a luxury spa, massage room, and a private wellness center. Imagine traveling across the country while enjoying a professional massage, relaxing in a steam room, or soaking in a golden bathtub with a view of the open road. The designers wanted this motorhome to feel like a 5-star resort that never stops moving. Climbing to the 4th floor reveals the private living quarters. This level contains several luxury bedrooms designed with premium materials like velvet, leather, and polished wood. Each bedroom features a king-size bed, built-in wardrobes, smart lighting systems, and private bathrooms that rival the suites of the world's best hotels. Large windows allow natural light to flood the rooms during the day, while automated curtains create a cozy environment at night. And then comes the most breathtaking part of the entire motorhome, the 5th floor sky lounge. This top level is designed as an observation deck and VIP lounge with 360-degree panoramic views. The golden glass dome ceiling allows passengers to watch sunsets, city skylines, or starry skies while relaxing in ultra-comfortable seating areas. There's also a private bar where guests can enjoy drinks while the scenery changes around them. It's essentially a luxury rooftop lounge, except it's moving along the road. But building a 5-story motorhome isn't just about luxury. The engineering behind it is equally mind-blowing. To support the enormous height and weight, the vehicle is built on a specially reinforced heavy-duty chassis, normally used for industrial transport vehicles. Advanced suspension systems keep the ride stable even with multiple floors. Powerful hybrid engines provide enough energy to move the massive structure while still maintaining efficiency. Inside the motorhome, nearly everything is controlled through smart automation. With just a touch on a digital panel, passengers can adjust lighting, temperature, entertainment systems, security cameras, and even window tint levels. Artificial intelligence helps manage energy consumption and ensures the vehicle runs smoothly during long journeys. Security is another major feature of this golden giant. Bullet-resistant glass, advanced surveillance cameras, and biometric entry systems ensure that only authorized guests can enter. For ultra-rich owners who value privacy, this motorhome functions like a moving fortress of luxury. And then there's the garage level hidden within the lower structure. Yes, even a motorhome this large can carry additional vehicles. A built-in hydraulic garage can store luxury sports cars, motorcycles, or even electric scooters, allowing the owner to explore destinations after parking the motorhome. When parked, the motorhome becomes even more impressive. Hydraulic stabilizers extend outward to balance the massive structure, while hidden slide-out sections expand the interior space dramatically. In just a few minutes, the vehicle transforms from a traveling machine into a full luxury mansion on wheels. The estimated cost of a motorhome like this would be absolutely staggering. Experts believe a custom build of this scale could easily exceed tens of millions of dollars. The gold plating, advanced engineering, luxury materials, and custom technology all contribute to making it one of the most expensive recreational vehicles ever imagined. But the real purpose of this creation goes beyond simple transportation. It represents the ultimate symbol of freedom and luxury combined. Instead of flying between luxury hotels, the owner carries their entire palace with them wherever they travel. Mountains, deserts, coastlines, or city skylines, every destination becomes part of the journey. For luxury enthusiasts and engineering fans alike, the world's largest, 5-story Golden Motorhome proves that imagination has no limits. When creativity meets unlimited resources, even something as simple as a motorhome can transform into a rolling skyscraper of luxury. And who knows, in the future we might see even larger, more futuristic motorhomes that redefine what mobile living truly means. If you enjoyed exploring this unbelievable golden giant on wheels, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Bertology for more incredible stories about luxury, engineering, and the most extraordinary creations in the world.